Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, before starting this video, I will request you to stay with this video till the end so that you will get the complete description and analysis and the message that I want to convey through this video. So let's start. So the stock which I am going to discuss in this video is most probably you can call it as a pandemic stock uh, in a positive way because it has made lots of money in a very short span of time, and that is Zoom video communications. So you just if you just see the stock, that there is a flat performance from 2019 till 2020, and probably since you can see from 12th of December 2019 till now it has given you around 184 percentage of price, so it has nearly become 200%. So and Zoom communication has just popped up on the globe across the world as a video conferencing easy way of video conferencing. You just see how the chart has shaped up, but now there are some problems which are evolving in this business because of some data leakages. So that's the big problem, and there are some companies or even some countries are asking for it because there are some issues which are going on. So there are two things which one need to understand. Is number one, that Zoom no doubt gives a platform for other companies to develop similar kind of product in a much efficient way, or which can be very much protected from the current product which is available, and also gives you an idea as to how do we build a product and what are the nitty-gritties that we need to concentrate on. So you can probably see there are lots of in-house product like this, like video conferencing apps within the company, or within the government, or within the country. These kind of conferencing apps will get developed, and this is the milestone for this. So in that sense you can call it as a particular stock or a business which lots of companies may follow. So what impact does it makes in terms of stock price right now is that generally there is a tendency which you can see in the stock market, that whenever a stock will rise like this, I simply can't just make a line. Okay, so what I'm going to do, it's simply an arc rather than a line. So what I'm going to do, I'll just try to make an arc, and what I'm saying is that whenever you see this kind of rise happens in the stock market, will probably lead to linear fall or a drastic fall in the share price once the rally is over. Because if you just check as to how this stock has performed in the last couple of days, so one will be very surprised as to see the kind of performance or the kind of pattern the stock price has just made. So this is what the current pattern is, and generally it doesn't matter whether the stock is from US or from India or from Canada or from UK or from any part of the world, but the basic of the study is same. So generally it has been seen that if the stock rises like this, obviously when the rise gets over, it will lead to a drastic fall, and you can resemble this price up move with the Bitcoin, where you will have the similar kind of price up move. I'm not saying that it will fall down, but what I'm saying is when you can probably check the chart of Bitcoin and see that before it went down, how the stock prices have reason and what kind of things in terms of chart structure I'm saying, and what kind of chart structure it probably had at that time. So if you just see the chart structure, it may go up like this. uh, Probably time will tell, but what I'm saying is, there are support areas through which I made this. So it would be prudent for anybody to take or perceive this line as a line on the sand, that it would be better if somebody takes this line as a support level and make their investment decision. Or if somebody is uh, observing, or somebody already had and position in the stock, or somebody is planning, so it would be very helpful for them if they just look at this arc and keep this line as their support line, beyond which it should be prudent to uh, take decision appropriately, whether you want to hold the stock or buy the stock or sell it. Because looking at the kind of stock price pattern, if this line got broken, or the share price moved beyond this line over here, like it would move, consolidate and fluctuate like this, so obviously the trend has been broken in that case, and the chart will move accordingly. Okay, so I'm not making any bull or bear case scenario. What I'm saying is, looking at the pattern, you should be prudent to take your decisions, investment decisions accordingly, before putting any extra money, or before putting fresh money, or if you hold the stock. So you can probably make the decision whether you want to hold it, you want to sell it, or you want to buy more. Because this is what where the support lies, and this is very important line, and one must, if not must, then one should take notice of this line. And if the stock price falls uh, below the curve or beyond this line, so obviously there will be some price damage consequences which probably occur in the times to come. So with this, I want to end this video. If you find it interesting, do like and share this video. Make sure to convey your thoughts through the comment section, and for this kind of interesting videos, do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video, and lastly, take care of your family and friends.